Hey, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to break this log of this product up into two separate logs that I'm adding together. Since I know the log base 5 of 25 is 2, I'm going to change that. I'm going to break this fraction up here as two different logs that I'm subtracting. Since I know the log base 3 of 9 is also 2, I'm going to change that. And I don't really care for the placement of that, so I'm going to rewrite it putting the negative 2 in front. Oops. Excuse me. This third one here, I'm going to take that power and bring it out front. It's the most important property in logs, in my opinion. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Of course, with the natural logs also, I'm going to break up this product. It has two logs, natural logs being added. Since I know the natural log of e is 1, I'll simplify that. I'm going to break up this quotient. Since I know the natural log of e is 1, I'll clean that up. I have a product here with a power, but the power is not on all of it. So let me break up the product first. In the future, I'm going to start taking those powers out. Go take that power out now. And since I know the natural log of e is 1, and I cannot stand the placement of that x, so a better way would be to go x plus the natural log of x. I'm going to break up this quotient, and I have a power, but not on all of it. So I'm going to subtract, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that power out front. Since I know the natural log of e is 1, I have a situation like that last problem. Cannot stand the way that looks. That is much better. Going to separate this product and pull the powers out at the same time. So 2 in front of the natural log, or the log of a of x. That base is not important. Plus 3 log base a of the y. I think the letters were different. I didn't like those. Break up this fraction, and I have a power there, but only on the denominator. That base is not important. I'm going to pull that 2 power out. There we go. I've got a product here with a couple of powers. Remember, square root, there's an implied power of a half. So I'm going to pull the 2 out, natural log of x, plus, because there is a product, 1/2 natural log, and in a parentheses, I'll put x, or 1 minus x. Can't do anything with it. Split up the product, pull out that half power. Don't forget your grouping symbol. Lovely. Got a fraction here and a power. Going to pull out the power. Sloppy 3. That base is not very important. Minus, because it's a fraction, a quotient. And group the x minus the 3. Got a cube root and a quotient. So 1/3 minus That base is not very important. Now, if you wanted to go a little bit further, you could with this problem. Since I know x squared minus 1 is x minus 1 times x plus 1. Now, I know they're being multiplied, but since they're both in the denominator, they're both dividers. So I will break that up into, I won't change this first part. Minus. And minus. Now I know they're being multiplied, but since they're both in the denominator, they are being part of division. Here we have a product on top, we have division, and we have a power on the bottom. I'm going to take that power out. Hey, I think that's a big deal. Clean your rooms.